infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Hello, Mr Sporso. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. Yeah.
I'm also fine. How's the family?
Yeah, they're quite well.
So, Mr Sporso, please tell me something about your all the ability.
Oh, thanks for asking. Actually, I get up early in the morning at 7 a.m. Then I go to my washroom and I get fresh. After getting fresh, I say my prayer to Almighty Allah as He give me a good day, and then I have a cup of tea, and then I go to my study room and I continue my study about 2 hours. After studying 2 hours, I have my bath, and after having my bath, I get ready for coming to my spoken English course, my spoken English class, and after completing my spoken English class, then I get back to home at 2 p.m. After at 2 p.m. Whenever I reach my home, I get fresh and I say my prayer at noon. I say my Johor prayer. And after Johor prayer, I have my lunch. After having lunch, I have take rest about half an hour.
You mean nap?
Yes, nap. Half an hour, and after half an hour, my electrician teacher comes and I go to him. And after going him, I read about 2 hours. And after his
2 hours.
2 hours. After of his going, I go to outside for praying. And sometimes I usually visit
Meeting with friends.
meeting with friends. And whenever I don't get my friend, then I visit around my village. And whenever I get my friend, then I play football and cricket. And before sunset, before evening, I get home.
How long you play?
I play about 1 hour or 40 minutes, and then I get back home at before sunset and evening, and then I get fresh and say my Maghrib prayer, and after saying my prayer, then I go to my study room and I started about 3 hours. And after reading 3 hours, I have my lunch with my family. And after having my lunch, I sit a revision about half an hour, and then I brush my teeth. I get ready my bed for sleeping, and after 15 minutes, about 11:30 p.m., I go to my bed and rest around where I wait.
Wow, it's very nice. I've many experience.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.